Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Material UI setup from your Frontend app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Material UI from your Frontend app, start by opening your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your project directory where your Frontend app is located. Once you're in the correct directory, check for installed Material UI packages. You can do this by running the command npm listed mui/material. This will display the version of Material UI that's currently installed. Next, to uninstall Material UI, execute the command npm uninstall mui/material. This command removes the Material UI package from your project. If you are also using Material UI icons, you should run the command npm uninstall mui/icons material. Additionally, if you have any other related packages, uninstall them as well using a similar command. Next, you need to remove Material UI styles from your project files. Open your project's main JavaScript or TypeScript file. Look for any imports from Material UI components. Remove those import statements to clean up your code. Continue by checking your component files for any Material UI components in use. Replace those components with alternative ones or create your custom styles. After replacing the components, it's a good practice to test your application. Run your app using the command npm start. Check the console for any error messages related to Material UI. If there are none, you have successfully uninstalled Material UI. Finally, review your package.json file to ensure that the Material UI dependencies are. This completes the process of uninstalling Material UI from your Frontend app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.